Hello, Marina Village Parents. I am Mr. Brown, first name Mr., last name Brown. I don't know if your kids came home and told you, but I spoke to your students. We did 2 assemblies, 6th grade assembly, we did a 7th and 8th grade assembly, and they both went very well. And if they didn't tell you, my message is very simple. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. Yes, when you make better choices, you will live a better life. And hopefully they got that message. And I wasn't trying to communicate to your kids that if you make the best choice you can, your life will be perfect. No one will have a perfect life. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, and neither of our kids. No one's perfect. But when we choose to make the best choice we can, our lives will get better and better and better. I've had a great time there. Also spoke at Lakeview and Lake Forest, and I'd love to come back. We're doing a family night in conjunction with Lake Forest and Marina Village. So hope you guys come out to that. I'd love to meet you parents. In the meantime, I'd love to get your feedback. What if your kids come home and say that? Maybe they came home and said something to you because I came to their classroom. I did a few classroom visits where I let them ask me questions, and I gave my perspective on their questions, which is really fun. We had a good time, but I want to know what they said to you. So if you do me a favor, visit thechoosewellprogram.com/feedback. The URL is right here. Visit that website and fill out the survey. And I would love to hear from you as a parent, what your kids came home and said, especially middle schoolers. Now, if your middle schooler comes home and says something about something happened at school, you know it had to be special. And I think I felt special being on campus. They try to make me feel like a celebrity, but I'm not a celebrity. I'm a normal guy with kids myself. And I just believe it's so important to help our students navigate this very difficult world they're in, because it is hard to make the best choice. There's so many things distracting them. It's different from when we were kids. You know, I'm 52 years old, and you know, I can look back and be like, whoa, when I was a kid, yeah, it was kind of different. But I think technology has changed our world forever. And here's the thing, parents. Kids have access to so much stuff, which can be good, but the sad thing is so much stuff has access to them. And it's very difficult for some of them to make the best choice with cell phones and tablets and computers and even with friends. And so I know for a fact, if I was a kid and I had that cell phone, woo, I'd have been a hot mess. Anybody with me say, oh yeah, oh yeah. It may be true for you, it wasn't true for me. So I want to help our kids navigate that. And here's the truth for what I get to do with the Choose Well program. I get to come alongside you as a parent and educators to water seeds that you've already planted, and I get to plant seeds you can water. It's a beautiful partnership that I have with schools that I work with. So I'm grateful for your school. So if you appreciate the message, tell the principal, thank you for bringing me out and taking a risk on me, because sometimes assemblies, they're not the best, but I think our students really enjoyed it. As a matter of fact, one of your students said to me, I enjoyed your show. It wasn't quite a show, but it was an interactive assembly to help them think about their choices, to make better choices, to live better lives. And hopefully you come out to the family night when we have it, so you can meet me. I'll meet you in person. But in the meantime, do me a favor, fill out the survey at thechoosewellprogram.com/feedback to give me your feedback. And I think your feedback is very interesting because it'll be from what you heard from your kids. And hopefully that was great. Thanks again for raising kids, bringing them up in the world and helping them to make better choices, to live better lives. And of course, to choose well. Oh yeah.